Hey, hello guys. I'm making this video. Mr. ST is sick. He's under the weather, so I hope he's getting better. Just making this video so he can watch the video. I have made many changes on the PCB. We were like here, and then from here we started to move things around. You see many changes. So this is I told you it was good already, and then we change it one more time, try to make the PCB smaller, and then we change it like this. I was able to shrink how you say shrink the PCB, or make them shrink the PCB basically, right? Make the PCB a lot smaller, and I was able to get it to 80 by 100 millimeters, and that's pretty nice. 80 by 100 millimeters. So I was able to place the C4 that down here below. I see we got the C4 here, and what I did, I just to try to keep the symmetry of the PCB so the PCB will look really nice. I just copy the component. Since I grab it from the line here, you see that there is a lot of the grid is in the middle of the macro, the capacitor. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna place it here on top of this one here, and then I'm gonna move it to the left with the keyboard, so all will be symmetrical, so I don't have to worry about it. You can see everything will be symmetrical. That's one trick, just to try to keep everything in one place. I will do the same thing with this capacitor. There's another, this C1, I wanted to have it the same way as this one here, so I just gonna trace a line. Maybe this voltage regulator, I can move it down here to the corner a little bit more, so I can move this capacitor to the left, the C1. Here now we have plenty of space to place the components. So you can see diode 5, diode 4. I was able to make it was easier now to make the connections, so I kept the C4 here. Yeah, I try to straighten them out, the lines of the connections. They don't need to be under each other, so that's fine. I mean, maybe I can tweak it later. This is fine, because the voltage of this rail is not going to be that high. But anyway, I will see if I can make more adjustment on the PCB. It looks a lot better, This is the previous one, and then what I did, I just moved this to the left. I moved the relays and these outputs to the left. And since I made the PCB wider now, it's 80 by 100, so I was able to put everything down. I moved all down, so now we got plenty of space, you know, for all the other stuff. Now yeah, I know. Mr. ST told me to try to separate this even more, so I'm gonna do it right now that I'm making the video. So just to have a safety, I think there's plenty of space here. Let me see how many millimeters I have here. Let me see there. We have 1.5, just a little bit more. I'm gonna do that a little bit more, just a bit more. Let me see. Can I do it? Yeah, actually I can move the top one. Yeah, I'm gonna move the top one instead. Okay, let's do that. Okay, 1, 2. Wait, hold on. I forgot. 1, 2. I forgot to grab the. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, just to be. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. We can leave it like that. So then I'm gonna place this over here. That's fine. There's no problem now with that. Yeah, I hate when this happens. The grid sometimes is not perfect, because I wanted to keep 90 degrees. You know what I mean. So this is the 90 degree. I want to keep it like that, but it's kind of hard to do it when you place the trays. Sometimes it does not cooperate with you, so it's fine. It's not really noticeable, but you cannot notice that much, because you notice when I try to place the line, I want to keep the top line has to be green, and it's not green yet, but I can fix that. No problem. It's okay, don't worry about it. It's not a big deal. It's just tiny tweaks that you do on the PCB. Now that we have everything this figured out, I think I can just rotate this. I'm gonna rotate it and place it on top of the European style terminal. I can move this drawing top on the top. That's fine right there. And I'm gonna place this thermistor. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing with this one here, so everything will look really nice. I'll put it over here. We got plenty of space. Now we got plenty of space to work with the layout. The PCB. That a lot much better. I like it. That's a lot better. All right, so we had that. I gotta do the test later on after you see we got the thermistor is going to be connected like this. We have the thermistor. I'm just gonna draw something quick here so you know what the hell I'm talking about. The thermistor is something like this. This is the thermistor. It's gonna be there you go. That's the thermistor. This is Z1. It's gonna have. You're just gonna draw something quick here so you guys can see what I mean. It's those type of devices that when it reaches certain temperature, it will close the circuit or it's gonna close or open basically. That's fine right there. Then I'm gonna fill this gap. So this is the device, and then it's gonna place something like let me see. I like to do drawings first so you guys can see what I mean. So this is the part that goes here. That's fine. Go here. Just gonna make a quick video. S1, and then what the hell I'm doing? Key right here, and this will be attached to the heatsink. This is the thing. The screw goes right there. There you go. And this is connected. It's going to be attached to the heatsink. In our case, we need to have two of those because we need to have one for each. Yeah, I should move this to the. Yeah, I'm gonna do it right now. It's okay. It's okay, guys. It's all right. This is just an example. All right, and the other wire is going to be connected like this because we need to put it in series. Just something quick here. That's okay. Does not need to be perfect. And then I'm gonna copy the other one. I should put the group, build the group, and then copy it. Copy the thing. There you go. I'm gonna put it at the bottom. So this is what the other one, the TS1 and the TS2 at the bottom, they are going to be connected in series. One is going to be connected to. I mean, it's going to be screwed to the heatsink or channel, maybe right or left channel. If something goes wrong with one of the channels, one example, the right channel is going to disconnect both circuits at the same time. So eventually relay 1 and relay 2, they're going to be open, so it's not going to send any more voltage, DC voltage to the speaker. You don't want to damage your speaker. So that's the purpose of these thermistors. So they're gonna it's 70 degree. The one is 70 degree. This is the one that we are going to use. 70 degrees Celsius, I think. Did I say that right? Celsius? I'm not sure if this is Celsius. Something like that. I don't know. Celsius. This is the Celsius. And I think it goes with the little thing here. There you go. That's the temperature. After a specific temperature, if this one opens, it's going to open both relays at the same time. Oh my god, I gotta explain this better. Okay, left channel. All right, let's do that. We got the left channel. This is going to be placed to the left channel into the heatsink with the thermal heat compound. It's going to be left channel and right channel. right channel, right channel. Yeah, right, just right. You just want to type right. That's it. Oh, there you go. Okay. And right channel. There you go. That's a thermistor. And then I think that's almost done. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna leave it like that so Mr. T he can see he's sick. He need to rest. So I'm gonna move this voltage regulator at the bottom a little bit more so I can move this capacitor, the C1, to the left. So just for symmetry, a purpose of this is just a cosmetic thing. No, it's not really does not have nothing to do with the circuit. It's just cosmetic. The circuit is fine. It's just, you know, that I like to make things better, the best way I can. So I'm gonna move that right now. I'm just gonna grab all these, the heatsink and the whole circuit. I'm gonna release this one here. I'm gonna press the shift so I can release that one. I'm gonna release this one here. I'm gonna, yeah, that's fine right there. And then I'm gonna move all these heatsink at the bottom a little bit more. So I'm gonna build, okay, hold on. Yeah, I'm gonna grab this one, it's fine. Okay, I'm gonna grab this one here. I'm gonna build the group so I can move everything together. We'll use the 0.25 grid. I will move it down. Let's see, that's fine, I think. Okay. Even though I think I can, yeah, I can make it work. I can make it work. There you go, right there. All right, so now I need to make the connections once again. So I move this together. So the only thing I gotta do is just, yeah, I gotta move the filter cap. I need to move this filter cap. I can put it right here. I'm gonna make a new connection. So I'm gonna do it right now. What happened here? What happened? What happened here? There is something that is not really needed here. Okay. So I know it's this one here. This is a ground. I'm gonna put the trace, a green one. I'm gonna put it right here. Ah, that's fine. That's fine right there. I'm gonna delete this one here. It's not longer needed. It's not needed to be there. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, so this one, I think this one is easy. The only thing I gotta do is just trying to place this over here. This is green, so there's no problem here. I'll remove this one here, connect it here. I gotta make sure that everything is correct. There is something wrong here. There is something wrong. I did something wrong. It's not supposed to be the test. Let me see the test. Okay. Oh yeah, these all grounds. Wait, hold on. Hey, this is the output. This is weird. The R7 is connected here. R7 is connected there. It's like this one here is not really needed. Hold on, let me see. Hold on, let me see. I got it like that. It's kind of weird. It is weird. All right, no problem, no problem. Now I'm gonna move this capacitor. Gonna put it to the. Gonna put the capacitor up here. Oh no. Put some space to it. And this one 0, and then that's fine right there. I can leave it like there. That's fine right there. I need the ground, so this is going to be connected to ground, so I can just place a trace right here. Oh my god, hold on, give me a second, right there. Go down, there you go, and then I'm gonna place a trace. There you go, and then I need the output. It should be closer, right? I think it's closer to the output. But I think it's fine. I think it's fine. It's not for the audio application. It's just for the. Yeah, I think I can do that. Okay, hold on. I'll put this trace right here. I'm gonna put it. I think that's fine. Right here is perfect. And then now I'll be able to move these capacitors, so it's gonna look a lot better. So what I'm gonna do is just gonna grab this capacitor. I'm just gonna copy it just in case. I'm gonna copy it, use the grid of the same component macro, place it on top of the other one, and then I'm gonna move it up so it will have. Yeah, I got a little problem here. It's too close to the heat sink. Oh, I think I can fix that. I think I still have space here, I think. Yep, I got plenty of space here. You see, this is the capacitor, so I still be able to move things around a little bit more. I will do that right now. So I'm gonna move it over here, move it here, and then over here. Okay, let me fix this to make it look nicer. Right, I think, let me see, I think that's fine right there. There you go. Green, I need the green. That's fine, that's fine. I think I'll figure out that later. No, I don't like it the way it looks. Hold on, give me a second. Give me a second. I think I can make it better. Right there, here. No, it's too close to the pad. Hold on. Too close to the pad. Give me a moment. I know I can do it. You go like here and then okay. Then like this. No. Doesn't want to cooperate. That's better. That's better right there. Right, connection. Oh, there you go. There you go. Much better. Got him. Now I'm gonna be able to move this capacitor to the left, I mean to the right a bit more. 1 2 3, that's fine. I think 4. Let's go 4. These diodes are really small, so I don't think it's gonna be any problem right there. So I'm gonna put this over here and then here. There you go, much better. Now I'm gonna be able to place it not as close to the heat sink. There you go. I'm gonna move it up, and for purpose of symmetrical vision, I'm just gonna leave it kind of like enclosed to this. Let me see, a little bit more higher. There you go. That's fine right there. That's fine. I'm happy with that. Now I'm gonna make the connections. So what I'm gonna do, 0.25. So I will make a new connection. Since I'm gonna delete this one here, well, I can delete it right now. I'm gonna leave it there for now. It's okay. It's okay. Don't worry. It's not a big deal. So the master file, this one is connected here to the positive. So I was just gonna do that. Copper trace. We're gonna do the copper trace. And now I'm ready to make the proper connections to the pad. Sorry about that. There you go. And then I can delete this one. It's no longer needed. And now I can delete this one here. It's not needed anymore. Much better. A lot better, right? So this one is negative. Ground. This is the negative. It goes here. This one is already connected to the positive. This one, this pad to the positive, it's already connected to ground, and I need this one to be connected here. Okay. All right. Let's see. What is the best choice here? To place the wire, I mean the trace, like this. Wait, I need green. Let's go with green. Should I go like this? That's fine right there. That'll work. Now do you see how now is a lot of space on the PCB, because just everything used to be really compressed. Now it's plenty of space. This area, I mean, it looks like it's a lot of space, but it's not really that much space. If you measure that, it's not that much. It's just, let me see, I'm gonna use the ruler. From this area is about 6.2 millimeters by, I mean, just, you know, 7 millimeters. So it's pretty small. It's not big, because the problem is on the software you will see that everything looks really big, but in reality after this PCB is done, you will see that the PCB is really small. It's not that big. The PCB is not really that big. It's really small. It just look big on the screen. So that's what I'm trying to say. So now it looks a lot kind of like almost done. I guess it's almost done. And let me see. Yeah, I think I should, for purpose of aesthetics. Did I say that right? Aesthetics. Hold on. What is aesthetics? Yeah, I think aesthetics. Aesthetics. Let me see. Aesthetics. Yeah, aesthetics. Aesthetics, a set of principles concerned with the nature or appreciation of beauty, especially in art, the branch of philosophy that deals with the principle of beauty and artistic taste. I do not know how to pronounce it. Sorry about that. Aesthetics. There you go. That's what I'm trying to say. So make it. Why not make it beautiful? I mean, you're making the PCB. It's your own project, so try to make it pretty. Why not? You know, it's no longer only for functionality. You can make it pretty, so you will feel proud of have something that looks just not only for purpose of you know, whatever the circuit do, but you will feel really proud that you made it yourself, and it looks really nice. That's what I'm trying to say. Looks really nice. Let me see. Now I'm gonna check the trace. It looks a lot better. I'm telling you, a lot better. It's almost done. I will say that it's almost done. So we need to check each individual trace. Mr. ST is sick. I already spent a few hours this morning, and this is 1:43 p.m. right now. I'm gonna take a break right now. I'm going to upload this video so Mr. ST he can watch this video later after he feel better. I hope he feel better. And then the process of tweaks, small tweaks to the PCB, and yeah, and then this will be, I will say that this is the final version of the PCB. So this will be version 1.0 now. 1.0 now. Maybe if there is any changes, and then we will continue. Yeah, for this stuff that are missing, the information of the LED blinking status and stuff like that. So everything we can do that later on. So for the LED status and stuff like that. All right, guys, I'm gonna stop the video. I hope you like this video. I'm gonna upload it just like this. I'm not gonna edit the video. This is the way I do it. I do not edit the video to make me look like a, you know, like I do it. It's really easy. It's not that easy, but if you have plenty of patience, you can do it. All right, guys. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel. All right, guys. Have a good day. Hell yeah.